Amri cintong ahwar Vestige atomon kejap pon lapen seke kipi. West Karbianglong Amri lapen cintong consensus along Vestige marketing company kaceja ajok pini rongjang prong along Vestige products conam lapen ale kelong hey hui lapen ke join dun kuan ale kedo ma lake Universal Ground Director Bablu Rahman pen seke kipi ame ding pon. Aso ase KKP along Dr. Arshad Udin Ahmed lapen alang diri cangho atum citong doy. Bablu Rahman ke inut duk wok pen amethang cepet duk pik abang lasi son sitame alang di surihini ra kreaton pen alang di Vestige marketing company bang along join dun si pini ani alang di Universal Crown Director angdeng an lelo alang di bainong kelong lake ciklo ijon pen lap thomra suri prokep atangka longkon bomlo posi alang li pherangke anglo than pacheni.
I am Vestige Universal Crown Director. Today I am here in Rongyangpong. Today I am here for a meeting. So I meet a lot of people here and I am so happy and I am so glad that so many people in this area. I have never visited this place, so beautiful place, and so many people are in my team, in my company. They are working with us, and we are working with them. So many people are earning a good income from here. So Vestige, I want to explain about Vestige. Tell us a bit about Vestige. Vestige is a direct selling company. We deal in all kind of natural products, natural herbal products, all paraben free, chemical free, vegan products. So those products do not contain any chemicals, and all the products are fully WHO certified, ISO certified, HADSA certified, FSSI certified, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India certified. So all the products are best of the best quality products we are dealing with. Today Vestige started in 2004 and today it's already 17 years and we are #1 nutraceutical company in India, and our latest ranking in world ranking, we were 7th in World Momentum Index. We are 7th, ranked 7 all over the world. So Vestige is a very good opportunity. Vestige is a very good platform where thousands of people are changing their life. So I wish, and we are working here to help the people of Karbi Anglong to get a good, give them a good opportunity so that they can change their life and they lead a very good life and help others to be healthy as well as wealthy.
What is the message for the young generation?
Yes, young generation, see friends, today at this time, you know what is the situation after COVID. The situation is very worse. Most of the people are not getting job and all the businesses are closing. So at this time, nowadays, to wait and just for an opportunity and just pass the time and be, if you are like thinking what to do, then you have a very good opportunity. Vestige has a very good opportunity. We have lot of people at the age of 18, 19, 20. They are earning lakhs of rupees. We have another one of my colleagues is there. His age is 23 years, 24 years now. Kushal Sharma, he is earning 12 lakh rupees per month. Shivam Goswami, 26 years, he is earning 14 lakhs per month. Durshan Diman, who is coming to Guwahati on 3rd of August, he is earning 7 lakhs per month. Kushal Sharma, from Assam, we have lot of people, those who are earning a good income. So there are so many young stars, college going students, those who are driving car, those who are earning a good income and they are leading a very good life. They are managing their studies from Vestige income as well as they are running their family. So it's a very good opportunity. You can come if you want to know more. You can join our sir. You can ask our Piratani sir. Sir will also explain you if you need more my contact. Then sir will give you my contact. Come join us. I'll explain you. If you like it, you come and join. It will change your life. You will get a very good opportunities. And here you don't have to invest anything. No financial risks. Nothing is there. Only you have to come. We will guide you how to earn a good income, how to become an entrepreneur. We will help you, and definitely you will get a very good income here. You will get a very good life. We will train you free of cost. No training charges are there. So nothing to lose, friend. There are many things to get from here. So come, everybody is welcome. All the friends, all the young stars, please come and join this system, Wealth Revolution.
Sir, what is your income?
I'm a Universal Crown Director. Today I am earning 3,50,000 per month, and I have already achieved 3 cars from Vestige. First car was Accent, then I have achieved grand I-10, and now I'm driving the car. It's 40 lakhs rupees. It is Audi A3, and I have a lot of people in my team. Those who are earning, 80 people are there. Those who have car. So